Hi, my name is Emery Camp and I'm here with Subpar Cooking, and today we're making guacamole. Alright, today's ingredients for guacamole are nice tortilla chips, 3 avocados, an onion, salt and pepper, a tomato, and a lime. Alright, the utensils you'll need today for guacamole are a chopping knife, a bowl, a smasher, and a spoon. Alright, before we get started, we of course have to wash our hands. Alright, let's start off with chopping some avocados. Now that our avocados are ready to go, let's scoop them into the bowl. A little tip, hold on to the pits. You can put them in the guacamole once you're done and it'll keep it fresh.
Emery says, keep the pits.
Let's go ahead and start mashing the avocados into some guacamole. You gotta make sure you really get your elbow grease in there. Get all of that mashed up. Now it's time to cry. Cue sad violin music. Alright, let's go ahead and dump these onions into the guacamole. Now that we're done crying, let's go ahead and cut the tomato. Alright, let's go ahead and put these tomatoes in with our guacamole. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Alright, now we're gonna add some extra spice into it, starting with the lime. Go ahead and squirt that lime juice on in there. Alright, now let's go ahead and add some final condiments, some salt and pepper. Alright, now it's time to finish mashing. Now it's time to serve up the guacamole. So good. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure and like and subscribe to Subpar Cooking.
Are we
Who's ready to cry?
Guacamole ready. Booty, 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 booty.